Hello and welcome to Ryan's Fishing. This is part 3 of St James's Fishing. I've been having a lot of bites on the float. I haven't caught anything apart from the carp in part 2. There's bubbles right next to my float now. So I'm just going to get ready to strike. I'm on sweet corn with a waggler. I've changed the rig a bit. I've added more shots to it. A bigger hook. I think it's a size 8. I think it's a size 8 I think I had. And they have sweet corn and everything. So I'll show you how to hook sweet corn now. It's just a lot of well, you know, it's very, 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 very cold, chilly now. It was a very nice day, but the clouds have come over the sun and it's windy. So, you know, there's only about a few minutes left now of my session. I'll be going. So, about 2 more minutes now and I'll have to pack up. Because I time myself on sessions. So, you know, for today I started at 1 and now it's about 6 o'clock. And I didn't record the other fish I had. I did have a big carp, but I was having like roach and bream about this big, at least. So, you know, can't go wrong with that. I've had in total about 13 fish today. Sorry I didn't record it, because, you know, like when I have the fish I can't press record on the system, so it's a little bit disappointing. But there we go. We're just going to close this session now with a nice little fish if we can get one. So we've got 1 minute left. You know, 5 hours of fun. Been brilliant today, absolutely brilliant. And do you know what? I take advantage of the 6 weeks holidays, because people in school now, when they like fishing, go out fishing. Don't leave it until the last week and go once this in 6 weeks holidays. Right? So when, you know, you could go, I don't care, you know, when you want to go fishing, but if you're not doing anything on that particular day and it's sunny, it's a nice temperature, get up early, really, and go fishing. If it's raining, go on your Xbox or PlayStation or whatever. But I prefer going out fishing. So, you know, but we've been on the hay rig. We caught another tench on that, which is pretty pleasing. We're on this sloper there and there's loads of signs of fish. But I'm afraid I have to end the video here. Time's up. So, go and have some dinner now, and hopefully tomorrow I will be recording. I'll be going camping with my sister in St James's Park. And we'll be fishing all night. So every video will be about roughly between 20-30 minutes. So, you know, it's good, very good. Hopefully I can figure out how to put the flash on when I'm recording, and if that ain't possible, I'll get a light. We'll have a fire anyway, so sadly we have to end the video here. Please leave a like and subscribe, and have a nice fishing, tight lines, and I will see you tomorrow when I come camping.